Hey all, how have you been? Every place or area should be well organized, whether it's a visible place or an invisible one. Today I'm going to be organizing under the kitchen sink area with no cost and DIY organizers. Organizing any space doesn't always require store bought organizers. We can also organize any place by doing something DIY. These are the cake boxes or containers which I am using as organizers. I have these kitchen cloths and mops for cleaning, pack of kitchen wipes, microfiber cloths, extra cleaning sponges. I found this chocolate box perfectly suitable to keep cleaning sponges. Now in this cake box I am keeping these mops and cleaning clothes, extra kitchen wipes. One of them I am taking out to replace the old one. Sponge box, microfiber cloths, and these old kitchen wipes as they are very helpful sometimes. In this another organizer, I am keeping some cleaning supplies needed very frequently. I also keep a jar of baking soda without the lid to avoid any bad smell in that area and using this as an organizer to keep this cleaning brush. Here I have Harpic, extra pack of baking soda, baby liquid cleanser, Dettol. To keep this garbage bag roll, I am using this wafers box which is sturdy enough to hold the weight of this roll. To place all these cleaning sponges and steel bowls, I am using this shoes box as an organizer. In this big carton, I have sprinkled some baking soda and placing it here to keep other items like this sponge box, these shopping bags. I always collect these shopping bags shown in my previous videos also. I am placing these extra hand wash bottles behind this carton. Here in this corner, I am keeping all the cleaning supplies such as extra pack of detergent and fabric softener in the last, dish liquid soap, cleaning spray bottles, fabric whitener and detergent in front of the door for easy access. And here, what I will keep? I tell you, wait. You know what? I collect these empty packets also. It's funny, right? But how I use them, I show you in a bit. And here I keep these empty packets. So basically, after laying a plastic bag inside the dustbin, I also spread these empty packets on the bottom to prevent any leakage from the waste inside the dustbin. This small tub came with mushrooms in it. I am keeping daily use kitchen cloth and sponge in it. By standing this dustpan with the support of this carton, there will be no need to hang it anywhere else. This small wiper has also been kept in the same way. I am replacing the old kitchen wipe today with this new one. And also cleaning the old one so that it can be useful for some other purpose. Like I have a kid at home and you know how children keep scattering food and other items everywhere. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to Abode Diaries. I'll take a leave for now. Bye bye.